Hello students, today we are going to start our new chapter, that is the story of food. Look at the pictures given here. What kind of work are people doing in both the families? Here on the left side you can see Venu's family, and on the right side there is Rani's family. Here in Venu's family, you can see that the father is sweeping the floor and the mother is cooking the food. Now the family is eating together. And here Venu is riding on the bicycle and both father and mother they are reading the newspaper. Let us see Rani's family. Here the Rani's mother is cooking the food. Here, Rani is serving food to her brother and her father. Here you can see the father is reading the newspaper while both Rani and her mother they are doing some work. So, can you spot the difference here? So, let us talk about the two families. What kind of work are people doing in both the families? So, in Venu's family, as you can see, the mother was cooking and the father was cleaning the floor. But in Rani's family, only her mother is cooking. In Venu's family, mother, father, and Venu together they are eating food. But in Rani's family, Rani is serving food to her father and brother. Venu is riding bicycle while in Rani's family, her father is reading the newspaper. Venu's mother and father both were reading the newspaper. But in Rani's family, Rani and her mother are doing the work while the father is reading the newspaper. So, do you think that all the family members should help each other in household work? Yes, all family members should help each other so that there will be no differentiation because of the gender. There should be no defined gender roles. Help and give respect to each other in your family. Now you will ask that what is gender and what is the differentiation because of gender. So, gender is the sex, that is the male and female, or when someone is saying that boy and girl. So there should be no differentiation on the basis of gender कि आप लड़के हैं तो आपको ये काम नहीं करना चाहिए, आप लड़की हैं तो आप ही ये काम करेंगी. तो हमें कभी भी जेंडर के नाम पर अपने बच्चों में डिफरेंस नहीं करना चाहिए. There should be no defined gender roles. So what are the gender roles? हमारी सोसाइटी में कुछ रोल्स दिए गए हैं जो कि फीमेल के लिए है और कुछ रोल्स जो कि मेल के लिए है. जैसे कि कुछ लोग बोलते हैं खाना बनाना सिर्फ मम्मी का काम होता है या लड़कियों का काम होता है. क्या लड़के खाना नहीं बना सकते? आप देखते हैं कितने सारे रेस्टोरेंट्स में जो शेफ्स होते हैं वो बॉयज़ होते हैं. तो हम ये नहीं बोल सकते हैं कि जो जेंडर रोल है वो लड़की का है कि वो ही खाना बनाएगी, जबकि ये काम दोनों लोग कर सकते हैं. तो कभी भी कोई जेंडर रोल फैमिली के बीच में नहीं आना चाहिए कि लड़के ये काम कर सकते हैं, लड़कियां ये काम नहीं कर सकती. तो देयर विल बी सिमिलैरिटी इन बिटवीन बोथ द बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल. जैसा कि आपने देखा कि वेनु की फैमिली में सब लोग, चाहे वो बॉयज़ थे या गर्ल्स थी, वो सब काम कर रहे थे. लेकिन रानी की फैमिली में जो मेल पर्सन था, they were enjoying and they were reading the newspaper, while the female members they were doing the work. So we should share the work when we are in a family, because all together we make a strong family. So we should help each other. There should be no gender roles. Now, let us talk about the food. So, from where you get the food? We get food from the following sources. One is plants and another is animals. So, what food you get from the plants? We get many kinds of food from plants like fruits, vegetables, spices, grains. So, all these things we get from the plants. Now, try to give two examples of each category as we have learnt it before. Now, food from the animals. We get many kinds of food from animals like milk. So, which animal give us milk? Cow and buffalo. And goat also. Eggs. Hen lays eggs. Fish. Meat. So, all these things, all these food items we get from the animals. Now, let us learn about some facts. Milk is the most nourishing food that children should drink it daily because it makes your bones strong and healthy. Water is also important for the good health. We must drink at least 6 glasses of water every day because the water helps in the digestion of food, and whatever disease is inside your body it gets flushed in the form of toilet from your body if you drink a lot of water. So, food and water are useful to our body. So, we should eat fresh fruit and drink pure water. So, now there is one exercise for you. Where does what we eat come from? The names of some food items are given below. Add some more names to the list. Draw a green around those items that we get from the plants. So you have to make a circle with the help of green pen where you find the items that we get from the plants, and we have to draw a red circle around the items that we get from the animals. So let us see first that which things we get from the animals. I will give you only some examples. For example, honey we get from the honeybee. So we will circle it with red. Then turmeric. It is a plant product. So we will round it with the green pen. Next is fish. So we get it from the animals. So it is a animal food. So here you can write any of the food item that you want to write here. For example, if I write paneer here. So paneer will be a animal product. So like this, do the exercise in your notebook. Thank you, students. Eat healthy and stay healthy.